Now we turn to the shared words of this course. The next two slides lock in a small dictionary. Same word, same meaning in every deck. These 7 words are fixed for all 21 decks. Let us read them once slowly. First, a DT, it is short for abstract data type. It is a set of operations plus their promised behavior, a contract. The storage behind it stays hidden. Next, an invariant. It is a rule that stays true before and after every operation. For example, no duplicates. A node is a small struct on the heap. It holds some data and one or more link fields. An edge is a connection between 2 vertices in a graph. It may have a direction or a weight. A vertex is a point of a graph. Many of them are called vertices. We also call it a graph node. An index is a position in an array. It starts at 0 and it runs up to size -1. A key is the value that an operation searches or sorts by. Sometimes the key is different from the rest of the data. This slide adds 4 more locked words about size and measurement. Bookmark all 3 glossary slides, because every later deck leans on these exact meanings. Size versus capacity. Size is how many elements are in use right now. Capacity is how many slots we set aside. Size always stays between 0 and capacity. Height versus depth. The depth of a node is the number of edges from the root down to that node. The height is the number of edges on the longest path from the root down to a leaf. A leaf has height 0. Students often swap these two, so go slow here. Load factor used for hash tables. It is keys divided by buckets. It controls how often 2 keys collide. Nil and null. Both mean points at nothing. Pseudocode nil is the same as C null. The last 3 locked words are about sorting and policy. Bookmark this glossary slide 2. A stable sort keeps the original order of equal keys. In place means the work uses only a tiny, fixed amount of extra space beyond the input. Amortized means the average cost of one operation across a whole sequence of them, not the cost of a single call.